Hey, what is going on, guys? Nzxt coming at you guys with a brand new video. So I'm just currently sitting in my chair because I have a project at hand. Now I'm going to be building my girlfriend's computer, which I have all the parts kind of laying around me right now. Don't mind my dirty closet. So here's everything. Got the case, CPU, cooler master, motherboard, stuff like that. So yeah. So that's what I'll be using. I'll leave all the actual items I have. My cat. I'll leave all the other items down in the description below, exactly what I used. And yeah, I'll probably do a time lapse of me getting this going because it's gonna take a while. So wish me luck, guys. Laters. Alright, guys, I'm back again. It's looking pretty good. The time lapses might be a little bit of crap just because I ran into a few issues here and there, but ultimately it came together really quickly. I spent about 2 hours doing this, which isn't bad. The first time I built my computer, it took me like a day and a half, and I had 2 other guys helping me. Yeah, so I mean, I'm trying to find the intake fans placement on the motherboard here. So I'm gonna have to stop recording just so I can use my phone for the light. Although I mean, you can still see this light. It's still dark in the cage and I can't see that. I will start recording again when I start the process to set up. But yeah, man. So I mean, bam. So yeah, pretty easy build. I'll get more into it later. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. Alright, guys, we are finished. Finally finished. All is done. I installed Windows. Everything is complete. Pretty dope stuff right there, right? Anyways, do you guys want to see a room tour? I can show you guys a room tour. Not right now, though. A lot of spinning. But anyways, so it's all done. Everything's finished. I will go ahead and show you the inside of the case, the outside of the case, and like I said, I will but I will describe or put down a list of everything that I put into this computer, which, like, again, is for my girlfriend. It's her lovely gaming computer that we will be gaming together on, because that's what we do. We like to game. Alright, use Express settings for Windows. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so yeah, guys. Here's the closer look at these stuff.